Morning to the respected teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's Bishowjeet Dhakal standing in front of you to deliver a short presentation on a topic of the role sport plays in promoting unity and health. Sport plays a vital role in promoting unity and health. It brings people from diverse backgrounds together and creates an environment for people to connect over shared goals. It also creates a sense of belonging and collective purpose. Sport plays a very essential role in mental and physical health. Daily physical activities improves our cardiovascular health, boosts up our energy level, and strengthens our muscles. It also contributes to mental health by reducing stress, anxiety, or depression. Through teamwork sports, individuals get to learn the importance of cooperation, communication, and skills that are transferable into our daily life. Sports also encourages us to a healthy competition and helps us to improve and teaches us how to handle victory or defeat at the same time. Sports doesn't only just save one person's life but also helps to improve and create a better society. Sports doesn't only just helps us, but in sports, friendship helps us to manage personal struggles, helps us to manage daily life challenges, and creates a lifelong friendship. Sports. In conclusion, I'd like to say that sport is a very essential thing for us, and we should always participate in it. Thank you.